Hello, welcome to Learn Anyone channel. So today we will discuss about SAP BOBJ server access. Okay, like BOBJ, that means business objects. Okay, so business objects, SAP business object is a reporting tool. Okay, which is integrated with a different application, example BW, okay, BODS, HANA, right? So today I am going to show you step by step practical steps how the people are working on business object reporting tool, right? So you will learn in this session basically how to step by steps you can uh, open the application server, and under this server how to install it and how to access the different tool in BAW. Okay, and I will going to show you the brief how to generate the report, how to display, how to end user basically open the report, if in case any issue how to sort out. So these entirely we will cover. Okay, so be there in this session till in the sessions. Okay, so this session will be very helpful who are the beginner, professional, and BOBJ consultant. Okay, even any consultant, this is a knowledgeable session for all of you. So let's start. So you can see this is a remote application server, right? Desktop connection. So under this, which is already installed. Okay, so installation part will cover later because it will take time. So I will guide you later how we can install it. But once install this, okay, in your application, in your laptop or desktop system, so you will find a different tool related to BOBJ, right? So if you can see here, we have a SAP Business Objects BI platform launchpad. Okay, this launchpad basically used for the end user who access the report for their business. Okay, and see the data. Okay, in different source. Let's see data coming from your BW, your BOBJ, your other EWM system, or other like ERP systems, right? So this is a very most important tool for the end user purpose, right? Now second tool we'll discuss, that is a web intelligence rich client. So this rich intelligence rich client, web rich clients tool is a very important for the designer and developer who develop the query based on business requirements. So I am going to cover this one as well. And the third tool that is important, that is a business, okay, central management console, which is very important for the basis and security persons. Why? Because these are the central management console, which is everything is defined, right? If you want to move the report, let's see, if you have designed the report in development, then how you can move it. So this is the application central management. You can move the transports objects from development to quality, quality to productions. Okay, even so many authorization role, so many things we can have in this central management tools, right? So this is also very helpful. Now next tool is the informative design tool. This is also important. Why? Because this is the reporting designing tool where you can design the attractive reports, dashboard kind of reports. So which is very easy, and drag drop facility is available. So these are the report, okay, which you can work as a developer or as a end user, right? So let's go ahead. So we are starting first the like a launch pad. Okay, so launch pad here, not, I mean, the internet browser something having issue, so I'm going to open into the Chrome browser. Just copy and paste over the here. See, this is the initial launch pad, BI, launch pad for BO. Okay, so here application server is given. Okay, and you can see the user already is given. So I'm going to just a password here. So I'm going to put a password and click on sign. Yes, you can see it is opening the launchpad, BI launchpad. Yes, so you can see the entire applications, means your launchpad. So in the home you will see so many things are there: folder, document, BI, inbox in recycling bins, even recent updated all favorite. If you go favorite, you see there is no document attached here in the favorite, right? Recent object, if you see, these are the open someone recently, right? And all the logs would be here, recent run. And applications, you can see 4 application would be here, like web intelligence, crystal reports, BI workspace, and information step forward. So these are the connected multiple tools over BO BOBJ. So if your expertise, okay, in the BO any application, you must learn all these things, which is very helpful. Okay, and there is some tile, so there is nothing is a tile here. So now let's start with the home. Under home you will have, which is most important, that is folder. If you click folder, you will have a multiple folders. Let's see, personal folder, you will have some subscribe, alert, or public folder. So what does mean, what is the difference? So personal folder, that means your reports, you have keep your report in personally, you can access only. But if you can see the public there folder, under public folder, whatever the sub folder and reports are available, that is overall everyone within landscape can access, either consultant, your end user, or anyone can access this one. So this is the main difference. And subscribe, which is alert something, let's see, I put some alert if in case any issues will come. Okay, so this will give the alert. So this is the here, so nothing is over here. So this is the like we have it. Now go to the folder, public folder, and as per you can open like any sample reports. See, we have a report data, click this one, or you can check anyone like which is you like, you can any, let's see, if you I'm going to open any BO reports, let's see SAP one something, so whatever, I mean, let's say training one, already reports are there here. So just open this reports, and I'm going to show you how it works basically. And see, so this is called the end user report. See, executive sales report. So this is a look like report. So this report already built by developer. Okay, so this is here launchpad, we can check the data. End user basically mostly use this launchpad. So this is how basically we can check. Okay, if in case, see here, there is a button right corner. Okay, we have a reading. So now in the reading mode, you can see all the city, store, line, category already is there. If you can go to design mode of this report, right, how it is designed basically. See, you can see that the report how basically designed, everything you can see over here, right? See here. So this is a design mode. Apart from that, if you go for the structure mode, even you can see how it designed the structure mode. You can see this is the structure mode of, right? So these are the even data. This is the completely data, right? See, this is the data mode. So these are the basically how it designed. You can see universe, then you connected the query, and then finally it got the report. So this is how, okay, and yeah, all the detail about this report would be available in the rep panel. Okay, so mostly we'll go for the reading because I'm an end user. Okay, so I'm not going to do any changes, anything, okay, in this report. So we will just check the data and all. If in case any issue, then you can report or create the incident to the developer or your support person. How, I mean, what is there any issue or some data inconsistency or any like a report like inconsistency, right? So this is how we are working. Okay, and there is more options like file open. If you want to open new report, you can open new reports. Okay, so these are the most of the things here. Okay, apart from that, this is only used for the reporting basically. The folder basically, these are the all are the reports. Okay, based on that you can, let's say simple report. Again, if you are opening another report, so you will have a, you will display simple reports over here. See, sales revenue and year, right? So based on the requirement, you can see analysis you can do. You can see here there much more options are there, tracking the data changes. Okay, you have so many options. If you click here, see print, send, structure, about, save as. Okay, if you want to save as, you can do a save as a report, this one. So if you click here, show the right panel. So you see here, this is the start presentation mode. If you want to see the presentation mode, if you want to display mode or hide. So if you want any kind of analysis, you can do it. See, refresh all. If you want to, sometimes what happened, that report is not got refresh. So if you refresh, the data all visible correctly. So if you want to save as, you can do as save as. You can, let's see, you want to save something, okay, if you want to download, if an export, then so you can do it. So this is how it is working. Okay, if you go here, see something is there, help, about, log out, help. If you want help out, okay, if you want about this, so you will see the detail about, like what are the BO, okay, like version and patch 10 is there. Okay, so all the detail about you will see. Even some, if you want some help, you can help. If you want to go setting of this, you can do here some setting kind of things, but mostly this is not allowed. These are the basically part for that, see, for basis or security guy who give the access and all. Okay, and they are taking care. So this is the launch pad, okay, and how we are logging and checking the reports. Now come to the web, another tool called web intelligence report, okay, which is a very easy and drag drop facility for the developer who want to make a career as a developers. Okay, so this is very easy. So I'm going to open this web intelligence reports tool. See, it is asking, okay, same thing. Okay, I'm going to put a password over here. Sorry. So you can see here it is opening. So wait a minute. So these are the, yes, see, this is the reports already. If you want to design some report, you can design. If you want to already design, you can open it. See here. So wait a minute. So this is how, means it is working. See, let's till wait. See, this is an, yeah. See, this is how it is designed. It's a simple report I'm going to, okay. And if you want to do any changes, you can do. If you're a developer, or you can analysis the requirement, okay, and then you can change the development here. So this is, okay, like page 1, page 2. So every page, see, some sales by data. Third, second page, you can see like this, city, code by the city. So how, I mean, you can, I mean, depend upon, see, this is a barcode and all. Okay, so depend upon, I mean, how you want to design. You can design, okay, if you want to save it, you can download it. So here we will have an option to, you can create it, you can design it. See, go to design, or you can design as per your requirement. So this is, see, in the left panel we have all the designing tools are available, right? See here, indicators, multiplier, sales. If you want to something changes, see, different kind of sales are available, right? Container also available. If you want to different container, you can use. So left panel, all the elements, you can say, even tabular formats, which format you want to design your report. So here you will see the left panel, all the like tools are available to design the report called a web intelligence rich client report. So here all the developer is going to design the reports. Once design and develop, then it should be save some folder in the development. Okay, then once a design and developed, okay, and save under this folder, then another tool is used to generate, I mean, transport the report from development to quality and quality to production. So another tool is called central management tool, okay, which is also important. Okay, so this tool used, see, is used by the basis sometimes. Okay, and you can see the console promotion console management. So this tool basically used for transport the reports. Let's see, if you have developed the reports and it used to transport it. So here if you double click, okay, there is some source and target you have to define over here. So this will be separate, you have to create a job, and so it will take time. See, you can just, I'm going to show you here how you can see, you can define your source and target. See, destination, source. So if you okay, define, and then here is an option, you can submit it. Once submit your data, I mean your report is going to send from your development to quality based on connectivity. Yeah, source, you have to give the source here, login to source and target here, and then finally whatever the option, you can choose your report and click submit. So your report is going to, and you can validate over there either in quality or production based on your transports, right? So this is basically console reporting, like we have it a tool. Apart from many options are there, you can see if you want to check any like personal folder, what are the data available, user group, sometimes you will have a group, okay, and profile you want to see something, server detail and all, so many universe connections, data services and everything would be over here. So based on requirement you can, you can use that tool, which is very important, right? So now another tool is called informatic design tool. That tool is also important, okay, for those who are design the reports in attractive, or like you can say dashboard, okay, which is just drag and drop facility available here. So which is very good, you can design a dashboard. So you can see here, yeah, you can see if you put the password over here, so you will log in into this information designing tool, so which is very useful tool, right? So right, see, so many options are there here, you can, right, so you can use it. See, someone is already created something, so even if you want to create, you can here put the create options here, yeah, project name, you can right click over here, or you can create new one, right, or you can delete existing one. See, someone is already created here, if you just see here, see, some is tabs are there, some. So based on your requirement, you can see if someone is tested here, see, successfully, right? So whatever you, created, you can test it over here, and you can change if you required. So these are the basically basic introduction in all our tools. So reporting tool, BO reporting tool is very important. So please, going forward, okay, go through this complete video. If in case someone which is required, okay, please share this video to your colleague and your friends, okay. So if in case any query, please mail us, okay, and comment us if in case any doubts to any server related issues, okay, and if you have any questions. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.